Excuse me, sir?
Hey,
I heard you're the $8 bird caller.
indubitably, I'm the $8 bird caller.
I actually require your services.
I'm your man. Any bird you want, I'll call it for you, with my vast talents of bird calling.
You see, my wife, she had a dream that she won the lottery. But when she won the lottery in her dream, she owned a blue jay. She almost sees it as a premonition. So if you could help us out and call a blue jay and capture it, I'll be more than happy to pay the $8.
Fair enough. Alright, here we go. You want a blue jay. Okay, hold on a second. Let me warm up the old chords. You sure you want a blue jay? There's 1,000 species. Is it species or species? Species, right? So rhyme with...
Great. I'll be honored to watch you work. Now remember, it has to be a blue jay, no other bird. Blue jays? That doesn't sound like a blue jay.
Oh, that's the sound a blue jay makes, bro. Let me do my business.
Can you try again? You know, this is kind of important to me and my wife.
No, you're right. Alright. You want a blue jay?
I've never heard a blue jay make that sound before.
What the hell up, bitch? Ah! That's all.
Can you just make a regular blue jay noise?
Oh, yeah. Hold on. I'm thinking. Blue jay. You want blue jay?
Can you try again? You know, this is kind of important to me and my wife. We really need a blue jay. If my wife doesn't get a blue jay, she feels that we will not win the lottery. This needs to happen. Can you please pull through?
Give me one more shot. One more chance. I don't want you guys to be disappointed.
I swear to God, if you don't get this blue jay, we are probably not going to win the lottery. What the hell is that?
Shut the frick up. It worked. There it is.
Never mind. This is a huge waste of time.
Quick, give me something to capture it with.
Are you sure you're a professional, sir?
Oh, it's a blue jay. Shut the fuck up. It's a blue jay. 1, 2, 3 pounds.
This is ridiculous. My wife is gonna be so pissed.
Whoa. It's rambunctious. Hold on. You're chirping? Hold on.
What are you, unstable?
Here you go. $8, please. Cash only.
There's something wrong with you.
What do you mean?
I don't want that. I want a blue jay.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Chicken wing.
Chicken wing who?
Chicken wing the lottery without a blue jay, you know what I'm saying? Get the fuck out of the woods. Trying to run a business here.